What's my name? Amor.
Oh, Amor, where are you from?
UK?
UK. Oh, that's cool. I'm from Bangladesh. My name is Sushant Paul.
Oh. Where? I
Bangladesh.
hear someone taught me about the swear language in Bangladesh. Gandu.
Gandu? I don't know.
Gandu or um what's this? I forgot.
So can I guess where are you from originally? I think you are originally
I can
from.
understand that. Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm from Philippines.
Yeah, yeah. So how long have you been over there?
I've been here 5 years.
Oh, okay.
No. Buganish. What is Buganish?
Oh, could you please stop the music?
No, I mean Buganish.
Ganesh, it's kind of, should I say? It's kind of God.
Buganish. Buganish. This is awkward.
Said you are originally from Philippines, right? And how long have you been over there?
In UK here.
Yeah.
I've been here for 5 years. Why?
5 years. It's a long time. So what do you do actually? What is your job?
I'm a manager. in office.
Oh, that's cool. And you look so sweet.
Yeah. I live here with my parents.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So, which part of UK? I mean, where do you live? Which city?
Outside London. Why?
Oh, London. It's capital, right?
She can give you. Yeah. Why?
Yeah, it's capital.
So are you in Bang?
Yes, I'm from Bangladesh.
Mm.
Do you know Bangladesh? About
Yeah.
Bangladesh?
I have a friend from Bangladesh.
Oh, really?
Is this a job interview? Yeah, I think so. He asked me. I think
No, actually, it's not a job interview. Actually, I'm a content creator. I make English conversation with foreigners. So, do you have any problem about it?
No at all.